offer consulting services to businesses seeking to implement AI solutions. This can involve advising on strategy, technology selection, implementation, and optimization. AI consulting services involve providing expert guidance to businesses at various stages of their AI journey. Consultants advise on formulating a comprehensive AI strategy aligned with business objectives. This includes assessing the feasibility and potential impact of AI adoption within the organization. Consultants assist in selecting the most suitable AI technologies and tools based on the specific needs and resources of the business. They oversee the implementation process, ensuring smooth integration with existing systems and processes. Additionally, consultants offer ongoing support to optimize AI solutions for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Their expertise covers a wide range of AI applications, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Ultimately, AI consulting services help businesses leverage cutting-edge technology to enhance operations, drive innovation, and gain a competitive edge in their industry. Develop AI-powered software solutions for specific industries or business functions, such as customer service chatbots, recommendation engines, or predictive analytics tools. AI software development involves creating tailored solutions that harness artificial intelligence to address specific industry needs or optimize business functions. Developers design and build AI-powered applications, such as customer service chatbots, which automate interactions and provide instant support to users, enhancing customer experience and reducing operational costs. Recommendation engines leverage AI algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences, delivering personalized suggestions for products, services, or content, thereby increasing engagement and sales. Predictive analytics tools utilize machine learning models to analyze data patterns, forecast trends, and make data-driven decisions, empowering businesses to anticipate market changes, optimize resource allocation, and mitigate risks. These AI solutions are customized to meet the unique requirements of various sectors, including retail, finance, healthcare, and manufacturing, driving efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. AI software development involves expertise in machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and software engineering to deliver robust, scalable, and user-friendly applications. 1. AI training and education. Provide training courses, workshops, or online tutorials to individuals or organizations looking to upskill in AI-related technologies and concepts. AI training and education services cater to individuals and organizations seeking to enhance their knowledge and skills in AI-related technologies and concepts. Providers offer a range of learning formats, including in-person workshops, online tutorials, and structured courses. These programs cover fundamental principles of AI, including machine learning, neural networks, and data science, as well as advanced topics such as deep learning and reinforcement learning. Participants gain hands-on experience through practical exercises, projects, and real-world case studies, enabling them to apply AI techniques effectively in their respective domains. Training may be customized to specific industry needs, such as healthcare, finance, or marketing, to address relevant challenges and opportunities. Additionally, education providers offer certification programs to validate proficiency in AI, enhancing career prospects for individuals and supporting organizational talent development initiatives. Overall, AI training and education play a crucial role in fostering a skilled workforce capable of leveraging AI technologies to drive innovation and solve complex problems across various sectors. 4. AI data labeling services. Offer data labeling services to companies working on machine learning projects that require accurately labeled training data. AI data labeling services provide essential support to companies engaged in machine learning projects by ensuring the accurate labeling of training data. Labeling involves annotating data points with relevant tags or categories, such as identifying objects in images, transcribing audio files, or classifying text documents. These labeled datasets serve as the foundation for training AI models, enabling them to recognize patterns, make predictions, and perform tasks accurately. Data labeling services employ skilled annotators who meticulously label data according to specific requirements and quality standards. minimizing errors and inconsistencies. They leverage advanced tools and techniques, including automation and quality control measures, to streamline the labeling process and enhance efficiency. By outsourcing data labeling tasks to specialized service providers, companies can focus on core aspects of their machine learning projects while ensuring access to high-quality training data essential for developing robust and reliable AI applications across various domains, from autonomous vehicles to healthcare diagnostics. 1. AI research and development. Conduct research into new AI algorithms, techniques or applications, and monetize findings through patents, licensing, or product development. AI research and development, R&D, involves exploring innovative algorithms, techniques, and applications to advance the field of artificial intelligence. Researchers investigate various areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. This includes developing novel algorithms to improve performance, scalability, and interpretability of AI systems, as well as exploring interdisciplinary approaches to tackle complex problems. Once breakthroughs are made, researchers can monetize their findings through several avenues. They may file patents to protect their inventions and subsequently license these patents to companies for commercial use. Alternatively, researchers can collaborate with industry partners to develop and commercialize AI-based products and services. Additionally, academic institutions may spin off startups to bring their AI innovations to market. Ultimately, AI research and development not only drive technological advancements, but also create opportunities for monetization through intellectual property, partnerships, and entrepreneurship. 1. AI-powered product development. Create and sell AI-powered products such as smart devices, virtual assistants, or autonomous vehicles. AI-powered product development involves creating innovative devices and solutions enhanced with artificial intelligence capabilities to provide intelligent functionalities and enhance user experiences. This encompasses various domains, including consumer electronics, IoT devices, robotics, and transportation. Examples include smart home devices equipped with AI-driven voice assistants for seamless automation and control, virtual assistants capable of natural language understanding and personalized interactions, and autonomous vehicles leveraging AI algorithms for navigation, perception, and decision-making. Product development teams integrate AI technologies such as machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing into hardware and software components to enable advanced functionalities such as speech recognition, image recognition, predictive analytics, and autonomous operation. These AI-powered products offer convenience, efficiency, and safety benefits to users, driving market demand and competitive differentiation. Successful product development requires interdisciplinary expertise in AI, software engineering, hardware design, user experience, UX, and product management to create scalable, reliable, and user-friendly solutions that meet evolving customer needs and market trends. 1. AI data analysis and insights. Build AI models to analyze large data sets and extract valuable insights for businesses in areas like market research, trend analysis, or risk assessment. AI data analysis and insights involve leveraging artificial intelligence techniques to extract valuable insights from large and complex data sets, empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions and gain competitive advantages. This process encompasses several stages, including data pre-processing, feature engineering, model training, and analysis. AI models, such as machine learning algorithms and deep learning neural networks, are trained on historical data to identify patterns, trends, correlations, and anomalies within the dataset. These models can then be applied to analyze new data and generate predictions or recommendations for various business purposes. In market research, AI data analysis enables businesses to understand consumer behavior, preferences, and market trends, aiding in product development, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns. Trend analysis helps businesses identify emerging trends and capitalize on opportunities, while risk assessment models enable proactive risk management and mitigation strategies. By harnessing AI data analysis and insights, businesses can optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and achieve strategic goals in today's data-driven landscape. 1. AI-based content creation. Develop AI tools for content creation, such as natural language generation systems for writing articles, scripts, or marketing copy. AI-based content creation involves developing sophisticated tools and systems powered by artificial intelligence to generate high-quality written content automatically. These tools utilize advanced natural language processing, NLP, algorithms, including deep learning models like recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformer models such as GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, to understand and emulate human language patterns. Content creation AI can produce a variety of textual content, including articles, blog posts, marketing copy, social media posts, and even scripts for videos or podcasts. These systems can be trained on large data sets of existing content to learn patterns, styles, and tones specific to different industries or niches, ensuring that generated content aligns with the desired voice and tone of the brand or publication. AI-based content creation offers significant efficiency gains for businesses, enabling them to produce large volumes of content quickly and at scale while maintaining quality and consistency. It also frees up human writers to focus on more strategic and creative tasks, ultimately enhancing productivity and driving content marketing efforts. 1. AI healthcare solutions. Develop AI-powered healthcare solutions for tasks like medical diagnosis, patient monitoring, or drug discovery, and sell them to healthcare providers or pharmaceutical companies. AI healthcare solutions involve the development and implementation of advanced artificial intelligence technologies to revolutionize various aspects of healthcare delivery and management. These solutions encompass a wide range of applications, including medical diagnosis, patient monitoring, drug discovery, and personalized treatment planning. In medical diagnosis, AI algorithms analyze patient data such as medical images, electronic health records, and genetic information to assist healthcare providers in accurately diagnosing diseases and conditions. Patient monitoring systems utilize AI to analyze real-time data from wearable devices or medical sensors, enabling early detection of health issues and proactive intervention. Furthermore, AI is increasingly being used in pharmaceutical research and development to accelerate drug discovery processes, identify potential drug candidates, and optimize clinical trials. By leveraging AI healthcare solutions, healthcare providers and pharmaceutical companies can improve patient outcomes, streamline workflows, reduce costs, and enhance overall efficiency in delivering quality healthcare services. These solutions represent a significant opportunity for innovation and growth in the healthcare industry. 1. AI advertising and marketing. Offer AI-driven advertising and marketing services, including personalized targeting, ad optimization, and predictive analytics, to help businesses improve their ROI on marketing campaigns. AI advertising and marketing services involve leveraging artificial intelligence technologies to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of advertising and marketing campaigns. These services encompass various AI-driven capabilities such as personalized targeting, ad optimization, and predictive analytics. Personalized targeting utilizes AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of customer data, including demographics, behaviors, and preferences, to create highly targeted and relevant advertising messages. This approach improves engagement and conversion rates by delivering ads to the right audience at the right time and through the right channels. Ad optimization involves using AI to continuously analyze and refine advertising campaigns in real time, adjusting elements such as ad creatives, messaging, and targeting parameters to maximize performance and ROI. Predictive analytics employs AI models to forecast future trends, customer behaviors, and campaign outcomes, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions and allocate resources effectively. Overall, AI advertising and marketing services empower businesses to optimize their marketing efforts, drive higher returns on investment, and achieve their business objectives in today's competitive digital landscape. These are just a few examples, and the possibilities for making money with AI are continually expanding as the technology evolves and new applications emerge. The potential for making money with AI is virtually limitless and continually expanding as technology evolves and new applications emerge. As AI capabilities advance, opportunities arise across various industries and sectors. For instance, in finance, AI-driven algorithms are revolutionizing investment strategies and risk management. In agriculture, AI-powered tools optimize crop yields and resource allocation. Additionally, AI-driven automation enhances productivity and efficiency in manufacturing and logistics. Moreover, AI-driven healthcare solutions improve patient care and streamline clinical workflows. Furthermore, AI is transforming education through personalized learning experiences and adaptive tutoring systems. As the technology matures, novel applications such as AI-generated art, music, and literature are also emerging as lucrative ventures. Overall, the dynamic nature of AI ensures that entrepreneurs, businesses, and innovators will continue to find diverse and profitable opportunities in leveraging AI to solve complex problems and drive innovation in virtually every aspect of society and the economy. For merchandise, see the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe and click in the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.